The RD350 Yamaha, the giant killer of the 70s. I have a 400. Luciano has a 350 he's been working on. We're going to get a test ride today. Well, the weatherman says it's going to go to 60 degrees by noontime. It still feels pretty cold out there right now. Doesn't matter, we're going to wait. This time of year we usually ride a little later in the day. Doesn't really matter. We still want to ride. Part of the ride today, I want to stop at Luciano's and see the progress on his 350. He may want to go for a ride. I don't know if it's ready to go yet. We'll find out later today. So as I do every day that I ride, I'm checking the air pressure in the tires, and I notice it's down 1 pound in the back and it's down 2 pounds in the front. And I said, you know, well, it's pretty predictable because it did get cold overnight. It was really cold, in fact. And we're not wearing t-shirts and shorts anymore here, at least not temporarily. But a lot of people might not know the temperature can vary even up to 2 pounds when it gets real cold. And if you're already low, let's say you're on the low side of what you like, you're comfortable with, and you go out and you drop 2 pounds for the first half of the ride till the tires warm up. Well, anyway, we wanted to just make that information just public for whatever it's worth. I want to clean the bike off. We're going to meet with Luciano. I'm going to go up to his house. It's a really nice day to ride up there. We'll take the back roads up there. It's a beautiful day. And he does want to ride today. He confirmed when I called him back, yes, today we will take a ride. Now, he has worked on the bike. He's replaced shocks, coils, tires. I'm not sure what else. He's got a spare gas tank for the bike. He's got well, just a bunch of stuff. We're going to see the progress. And apparently he's out riding it already, so that's even better. Karen, as she always does, while I'm out riding, she's making her magic and chicken cutlets here today. And by the time I get done with the farm chores, we have chicken cutlets, and we'll have them tonight. Maybe pumpkin cutlets, I don't know. Our birds are fed this time of year, and this little guy hangs out and watches Karen cook. He just sits in the feeder all day. It's amazing. We have some funny animals in this area. We still have baby rabbits, and she's got the back of the house decorated. Now, where we're going to ride, the leaves are already turning. They're beautiful. Karen's got the house decorated, and I am really dying to see this 350. He has really been working on this, and I'm sure, whatever, we're going to have an adventure today. To this one already?
What I did, I did the shocks.
Okay, you got the shocks.
The pod filters there.
Okay, and pods. You don't have a regular air box in there?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
And I got a voltmeter.
Oh, voltmeter. What is that going to tell you?
It tells you if
buy a battery. That's what it tells you.
Yeah, no. I got a forks coming from India, unfortunately India. Because they will raspy it.
Oh, I see. They're pitted on one side. Yeah.
A little bit oil.
You found them in India?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And that's it. I didn't do much.
You know, I got a spare set of cards. If you need parts, you need even parts off.
I got brand new coils.
Okay.
Because it was dropping one cylinder. You may have the same problem.
I may, yeah, I may. Well, you could give me the bad coils and then we'll prove it's the bad coils. Yeah, it looks nice and clean now. You got it all night. The last time I saw
Yeah,
it,
that's beautifully.
yeah, it came out nice. My God, beautiful.
Yeah.
What about that tank from India that you
I
keep it?
didn't have a chance to try on if it fits or no. It should fit, but so
It's
freaking-
bigger or the stock
It
amount?
looks like bigger than this.
It looked bigger when I saw it the first time.
Yeah, but it's heavy. Oh my God.
Well, they made it out of tin cans or something. Who knows?
Yeah. It's not stamp.
The seat is nice on this too. I just
Yeah.
noticed.
It looks like
This you could use a little polishing back here.
yeah. By getting rid of the filters against space.
Oh yeah.
Against space here.
Yeah,
Is
where
it-
the air filter was.
There's a toolbox here.
I got it. Yeah, I got it. Cool. Mine has the toolbox on the back here, under
Yeah.
by the taillight. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of good memories, baby. I feel like going to the drags right now.
You know,
Get Jim Skinner on the phone.
I enjoy.
We'll teach him a lesson.
I enjoy riding this and all the rest.
Oh, I know. I was going to take mine today, but I figured, we only got one tow truck. Going up Skyline Drive, only a couple miles from Luciano's house, a touring bike, had plowed into a car, and they took the rider away in the ambulance. And once we got through the traffic that was created by the accident, and I hope the fellow's all right, of course, all the people are all right. The leaves are changing, everything is just beautiful here, and we were going to head up around Greenwood Lake on the back roads through our sting, and this is going to be a beautiful day.
This day just played out better than you could ever expect. Anytime you're testing a bike that you've worked on and replaced parts, and you know, you're really always in the back of your mind, you're wondering how reliable this is going to be. Well, this turned out to be pretty good, and we put a lap around Greenwood Lake, and it just couldn't have been better. And he wanted to ride some more, but I had to get back to the farm. But in the end, in the absolute end of the day, we have a good feeling about the bike now. We'll be going on more rides together. It was doing all the things that we were hoping for. It was smoking just the right amount. And boy, the first time we went out, it was smoking way too much. I think he's got that cured. He has new plugs in it, new coils, I think, among other things. And so it just performed really nice for the whole rest of the day. This was a very, very good test day. I'm really happy that we got to do it, and it's always good to do it with somebody that you trust in case you have to go get the truck. So we had a great day again. I say it over and over again whenever I have a good day. And Luciano was just about as happy as could be the way this performed. And I always laugh about the tow truck, but that's true. And I am looking forward to getting a couple of two-stroke days on mine before the really cold weather sets in. Now that we got two of them to ride, it's a lot more fun, a lot more possible that we'll get some two-stroke days. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. I appreciate everybody that supports the channel, sends in comments so we can improve our channel. And guys, thanks so much for watching.